That feeling's just grown stronger since I fell in love with you. Now we've only got these times we're living in. We've only got these times we're living in. Winter wood piled on the porch, walnuts scattered on the ground, and wood smoke rising to the sky. An old man comes home from work and he hugs his wife in a sweat-stained shirt, walks through that door where it's warm inside. And I'm walking as the wind rustles in the falling leaves, my footsteps picking out a tune, my heart sings silently. How we've only got these times we're living in. We've only got these times we're living in. Carved and painted with long forgotten lovers' names. The old cars standing empty and dogs barking at me as I walk through the quiet streets the same. If I could, I'd tell you now there are no roads that do not bend. The days like flowers bloom and fade, and they do not come again. Now we've only got these times we're living in. We've only got these times we're living in.